In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a morph transition presentation in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned presenter or just getting started, this technique will help you elevate your presentations and grab your audience's attention. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to canva.com. If you haven't already logged in, take a moment to do so by entering your credentials. Otherwise, you won't be able to access your projects. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click on the project section. This is where you'll find all your ongoing and saved projects. Find and select the presentation you want to work on. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is a morph transition? It's a smooth animation that allows elements in your presentation to move or change seamlessly between slides, creating an engaging and dynamic effect. We'll be adding this feature to transform ordinary slides into something memorable. Click on Elements in the Canva toolbar to begin. Choose any shape to get started. This could be a circle, square, or any other shape that fits your presentation style. After adding your desired shape, it's time to duplicate your slide. Look at the slide thumbnail on the left. You'll notice a three-dot menu. Click on it. From the drop-down options, select Duplicate Page. What this does is create an identical second page immediately after your first one, allowing us to animate the transition. Next, navigate to page 2, the newly created duplicate. This is where the magic happens. Click on the shape you added earlier and play around with its position or size. For instance, if you've got a large red circle initially placed in the middle, you can move it to the top right corner or make it smaller. The idea here is to create a perceptible change that will be highlighted by the morph transition. Once you've adjusted your elements on page 2, look between page 1 and page 2 where you'll see an Add Transition icon. This symbol, often represented by a plus sign, is your gateway to adding dynamic movement. Click on it to bring up the Transitions panel. Here you'll find a list under Page Transitions. Your goal is to select Match and Move, which might require a Canva Pro account. With the transition selected, you can tweak its duration to make it as fluid as possible. Generally, setting the duration to somewhere between 1.5 to 2 seconds provides a smooth visual flow. Once everything is set, don't forget to click the play button located at the bottom of the editor. This allows you to preview your creation and catch any adjustments you might want to make. Watch as your shape elegantly morphs from its position on page 1 to its new spot on page 2, creating a visually captivating effect that will surely impress your audience.